Hello, everybody. We wanted to say Merry Christmas to you all. And, you see my family all nice and decked out. Ryan, you want to say something?
Yes.
What do you want to say to the people?
I miss you guys. Merry Christmas.
Okay, Ricky.
You want to say anything?
I need to break it out. Wait, what?
What
did he say? I need to break it out. He said he
Wreck
needs
It
to...
Ralph?
No, he said he needs to figure it out.
Oh, he has to
you gotta figure it out.
So...
Okay, hold on. We got to let Mommy.
Yes, definitely. Just want to say Merry Christmas. We appreciate you guys
Yes.
being a part of our family here on YouTube.
Yes.
You guys, we love you.
Yes.
And we love it when you comment and all that. Yes, we love you.
That's it. What we say, Ryan? How the song go?
Don't keep up with that. Don't keep up with that. Chelsea!
And so to say thank you, to say Merry Christmas
And
to
we're
you
going to
all.
change our name into Christmas Joneses.
Oh.
So we're the Christmas
Heard it here first.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
And to
Christmas.
extend our Merry Christmas, we have a light show, a Christmas show that we have for you all, okay? So,
Yeah, and it's about funness, and you get to say best day ever.
yeah,
So make sure when it's done, you have to look up the channel that we have and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
And so Ricky's gonna start his videos. Woo! And Mommy's gonna start her Christmas videos, and Daddy's gonna start his Christmas videos, and I'm gonna go back to my Christmas video.
yeah, so with all that being said, we hope you enjoy the lives.
So everybody is gonna have a Christmas day! I hope. Because if you celebrate Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, wait.
So with all that being said, enjoy the life, enjoy the show. We love you all. We'll see you on the next video. Enjoy.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. Don't keep up with the Joneses. Don't keep up with the Joneses. Don't keep up with the Joneses.